Have you ever made dua again and again, but felt like nothing is happening? Let me tell you something honestly. It's not always because Allah didn't hear you. Sometimes it's because of us. When you make dua, are you fully present, or just repeating words? Allah doesn't look at your words, He looks at your heart. The fix is simple: pause, focus, and speak from the heart. One of the biggest reasons dua is blocked is when your income, food, or lifestyle is not halal. How can we expect acceptance when we're feeding ourselves from what Allah prohibited? Check your earnings and avoid doubtful sources. You make dua for 3 days, 5 days, 1 week, and then say it's not working. Delay does not mean rejection. Allah answers in 3 ways. He gives what you asked, He delays it for better timing, or He replaces it with something better. If your connection with Allah is weak, your dua will feel weak. Salah is the foundation, dua is the extension. Improve your salah, and your dua improves. No matter what you've done, your dua is never wasted. Allah is al-Sami, the one who hears everything. One sincere dua can change your entire life. Here are some quick wins. Raise your hands, praise Allah first, send blessings upon the Prophet, and make dua with certainty. Before your next dua, fix these mistakes. And if this helped you, share it with someone who needs it. Thank you for watching the video, and like, share and subscribe for more videos.